Have you ever wondered why you never get an IPO allocation even when you're ready to invest a significant amount?
Oh no!
Why does your application get rejected? According to SEBI, in the case of oversubscription, shares are allocated on a lucky draw basis. In this video, we'll explain how this process works. I've also included the dashboard link in the comment section for your convenience. In column M, we have a list of company names, and the adjacent column shows the shares available for sale. This is just a sample, so I've used a smaller dataset. Starting from cell E6, I will add 3 variables: company name, shares for sale, and applications received. Next, we'll use data validation in the adjacent column to display the company name and shares for sale. To determine the number of applications received, I will use a formula to ensure that the number of applications is greater than the number of shares for sale, with a maximum limit of twice the number of shares for sale. Now that we've covered the basics, we'll create 3 columns: shares list, which will reflect the number of shares for sale. Next column is applications received, that will show the names of the applicants, and finally the last column is allotted to, which will reflect the name of the person to whom the shares are allocated. To create the shares list, I will use the sequence function with lot as a text under double quotation marks, so it will look like lot 1, lot 2, and so on. To create the applications received section, I will generate a dummy list of 20 names. I have recently uploaded a video on how to create random names in Excel, and you can find the link for it at the top right corner of this video. After creating the names, I will create a dynamic range using the offset function counta, which I will use to display the names. Now, in the Applications Received column, click on F11 and use the if function along with rows and index to display the names. This formula ensures that the number of applications received matches the names displayed below. Once this part is complete, most of the work is done. The final step is creating a lucky draw, where we'll use a helper column and apply the rand between function combined with the if function to generate random numbers. Next, we'll use these random numbers to select names from the previous column by utilizing the index, sortby, and sequence functions. Now just hide the helper column and your dashboard is ready to use.